Grâce aux 1000 avocats qui sont ici aujourd'hui, il y a 8 sessions qui sont couramment en session maintenant aux divers sujets. Il y a l'arbitrage international, le droit bancaire, et moi je m'intéresse beaucoup à l'avenir de l'avocat qui est en session maintenant. Okay, so you've already said that you came here because you were giving a talk. Would you mind telling me a little bit more about what you were talking about yesterday?
Well, yes, so I was explaining that in England we have special rules which mean that you can go overseas and freeze assets in other countries when you've got litigation, and so at the same time you can help the foreign court when the foreign court needs help. So it may well be that the proceedings aren't actually taking place in England, the main proceedings, but you can go to the English court and say, could you freeze some assets in another country? So if we win the case, we've got a place to go to, we know there's assets, can satisfy the judgment, and it was sort of explaining that process to the delegates.
I'm now with Mr. Yang, who is a partner at Jade & Fountain in Shanghai. So Mr. Yang, I understand that you've come to the Congress to give a talk today. Could you share with me what you told the delegates?
其实今天呢，就是说我早上参加了一个有关于国际诉讼的一个论坛。那么大致呢有10个左右的律师各国的律师来参加，主要呢是讲到了一些是跟中国以及亚洲各国有关的这个诉讼的一些经验那么我作为中国内地的律师的话呢，主要是谈了一下外国公司及个人在中国诉讼当中的一些认识的误区。好，那我觉得我大概讲了9个议题，那我都是认为这是在国际公司跟个人在中国投资做生意商业活动当中非常重要的一些个需要重要的一些事项。那我也希望呢，就是说可以把我个人这些经验的话呢，可以跟我们国际的同行进行分享。基本上就是。
I'm here with Mr. Kapoor, who is a partner at Kaitan & Co, and he's come all the way from India. He has spoken twice yesterday and today for the Congress. So, Mr. Kapoor, would you mind sharing with me a little about what you said to the delegates?
So essentially it was sharing my experience as to how litigation in India works and some kind of practical solutions which might be interesting for people who are intending, who might end up litigating in Indian courts. So it was kind of sharing our experiences which was the talk about.